So guys, welcome back to another episode, another video of my simple makeup routine. So after I'm done with my facial, this is the makeup that I always apply, like a very simple one, the one I go with at work. This is not for going out, just going for work. Okay, so I'll take you through. I've already applied this, the Dermasol. It really helps a lot with my skin at the moment. So this is what I use my skin. Okay, and then I normally begin with my foundation. Okay, so before my foundation I have my primer. I apply just a bit of it. This, are you able to see? This is enough. You apply up to your neck, or sometimes I apply the makeup on my neck. When I'm done with that, I do the foundation. I have two types of foundation. So the first one is BB, Baby Skin Foundation, and I also have this Kiss Beauty. So far this is my best. I really love it. But this one is also good. This one, it's so smooth. It's very nice. I love it. But this one is for going out or a date. This is the makeup. It's a bit lighter. This is the one I use, for going to work. Na almost inaisha. Na venye nimeifinya. Almost kuisha. But anyway, lazima iishe ndio tuingie kwa ingine. Where is my sponge, guys? Can't find my sponge. Give me a minute. Oh, found it. Kamejificha mahali. So before I do this, I like to keep this sponge wet a bit. It always, remove my foundation so well, make it sit so well on my skin. Then I begin applying it. When you're applying your foundation, you begin with inside as you go out like this. Okay. Then my side of the nose. As you go out. I was telling you, this is the foundation, the makeup that I use for work. This is not, for going out. This is for going to work, my dear. Remember your neck areas and your ears, so that you remain the same color. Okay. You come down with that. Then I do my eye pencil. I do my eyelids, my eyelashes, the down one. I don't want to do the one on top because I will look smoky. and that's for going out, not for work. So just a simple one, and then I'll do my eyebrows next. Okay, so while doing my eyebrows, let's begin with this part. Okay, I'm not used to doing this with my phone, so I'm finding it a bit weird. But anyway, we have to do it for you guys. Oh my god. Okay, so I'll try and do this a bit. I don't want the edges to be so pronounced. This is just a makeup for going to work, as I had told you before. So when I'm done with that, I do my gloss, or I can even do this lipstick. For the sake of the video. But anyway, I just say I don't have a mask, so can I give a lipstick or not? No one will know. So I'll go in with my powder. Just a bit. Your ears. And my forehead. I'll even do my eyebrows, so that they're not so pronounced. So guys, I think I'm done with my simple job makeup, work makeup, or how do I even call it? How do I look? How do I look? I love it. That's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope this really helps you. Please hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video you get notified. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. Please comment down below and tell me where, or your opinion on how I should do it, or what you think about my makeup. Guys, thank you very much for tuning in. Be blessed, stay blessed. May God be with you. I love you guys.